From this game I already earned 3 times much more money than I invested. And on my channel first video about this game I created 24 December. It's already 2 months ago. And after that almost every day I created video about this game. So on first video I invested on this game $120 and told you do the same. And now as you can see I already have on my balance $500. Because first months every day I clicked on this bottom and reinvested my money, and every video I told you do the same. That's why on my balance now I have 3 times much more money, and that's why I started earning faster. After that every day I clicked on this bottom and clicked withdraw my money. Then as you can see I have more money on my wallet. And guys, this is not all. We entered this game 21st December, and on my Telegram I told you about this game even earlier. That's why join my Telegram. I will leave the link under this video. And as you can see this game all the time only increasing, and all of this time what this game is working, I and you earning money. Obviously even if this game will start falling, it will work around 50 days more. So guys, the results from this game we already earned more than invest, and this game will continue working at least 50 days. Every video on my channel I told you invest on this game, but now it's too late to invest on this game, guys, because I think that this graphic will start falling after 10 days. That's why subscribe on my channel to not lose new good project like this, because I have a little subscribers, so you can be sure that no one pays me for advertising. Also on my channel I told you about only 1-2 projects all the time, and only when we earn from this project I search about another project. So I'm not like another YouTubers what creating every day about another project. And obviously I don't know what is good project or what is scam. It's just not impossible to invest everywhere. So guys, I congratulate everyone who invested with me, and now we will wait for a new project. That's why subscribe on my channel and also watch this video.